problem from application of derivatives, and in this video we are going to see this is a simple problem to approximate the value using differentiation. The question is, use differential to approximate square root of 36.6. So we all know what is square root of 36. It is 6. But what is 36.6? It is little difficult to find. So this application we are using this differential. So for that, let us consider like this. Let us take x is equal to 36, that is a known value, and delta x is equal to 0.6. So if you add these two, x plus delta x will give you 36.6. So suppose if your question is 35.4, you can take x as 36 and delta x as minus 0.6. So this way you can take. So since in our question it is 36.6, we are taking x as 36 and delta x as 0.6. When we add these two, we will get 36.6. So now we can define y is equal to square root of x, because y is the output or y is the answer, and how that is defined, y is equal to square root of x, because what is the operation done on the given number, square root is the operation done on that. So y is equal to square root of x. So now we know that f of x plus delta x is equal to y plus delta y. So x plus delta x is 36.6 and f is the function that is acting on it, or the operation that is acting on it. So f of x plus delta x is equal to square root of x is 36 plus 0.6. So square root of 36.6 is called as f of x plus delta x. So now what is y? Y is equal to square root of x. What is x? X is equal to 36, so square root of x is equal to 6. So in this equation we are going to find out what is square root of 36.6, and we know what is y. Y is equal to 6. Now we have to find out what is delta y. So square root of 36.6 is equal to 6 plus delta y. So if we know the value of delta y, we can substitute and find out the answer. So in order to find out delta y, we are using an approximation. Let delta y is approximately equal to dy. So that is equal to dy by dx into delta x. So this delta x and dx will get cancelled, so it is equal to dy. So we are using this approximation. So to find that, we need dy by dx. In order to find dy by dx, what we are doing is, we have the initial equation, that is y is equal to square root of x, and in that we are applying dy, we are differentiating it with respect to x. So we get dy by dx is equal to differentiation of square root of x is 1 by 2 root x. Now we are substituting in this equation, so we'll get delta y is equal to 1 by 2 root x into delta x. So that is equal to 1 divided by 2 into what is root x, that is 6, into what is delta x, 0.6. So when you substitute it, 0.6 divided by 12. So when you simplify it, you will get 0.05. Now we are substituting this in equation number a. So equation number a is the square root of 36.6 is equal to 6 plus delta y. That is equal to 6 plus 0.05. When you add these two, you'll get the answer for the square root of 36.6. Thanks for watching.